Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Google Translate and placing the text you want read aloud. This triggers the speaker control. Once done, make sure your device's text-to-speech engine is installed and up to date, because Google Translate uses that engine for voice selection. On Android, check Settings Text-to-Speech Output. On iPhone, use Accessibility Spoken Content. Doing this first avoids interruptions later and lets you control voice options instead of relying on default system settings. Next, go into your device's TTS engine settings to pick a voice provider that includes female voices. Once there, choose Google Text-to-Speech or another engine with multiple voice options. Then select the language pack you need and pick a female voice variant from the list. Some engines label them by name or gender. Make sure to download the voice pack for offline use if you want consistent results without internet. Doing this config changes the voice Google Translate will use for playback. Finally, test your selection by returning to Google Translate and tapping the speaker. You should hear the female voice you selected. If the voice sounds too fast or thin, go back to the TTS settings and tweak speech rate and pitch until it sounds natural. Once adjusted, retest with several phrases and languages. If nothing changes, clear the Google Translate app cache or reinstall the chosen TTS engine. Then reboot the device. That usually resolves lingering conflicts between apps and system TTS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.